Do you have an issue with the interior of your LG thin-queue refrigerator leaking? So luckily your defrost drain is clogged or frozen. Screw here in the center that I took out, and that's like the general location of the fridge. I took off the air filter that was up there. Basically pull this whole thing out. Remove it. There's gonna be a wire clip in the back that you disconnect. Frost drain behind the back of the refrigerator gets clogged, and we're going to remove that and clean that. So you would have to take out the fridge first, of course clean the area you're planning on working at, and remove the bottom panel. So this is a set of screws, one there, one there, one there, one there, and just the ones on top. The bottom just clips right in. Remove those first. You're gonna see this duct tube, or this tube that just leads to this drain right here. It's completely full of water. Earlier mine was filled with junk, so I already cleared out most of it. I'm still planning on cleaning it, and you could steam it as well, this tube, if you'd like, to remove the germs or remove whatever debris. And over here, there's like right where the rubber end meets the plastic tube, you could stick a vacuum hose there and just try to suck up what's ever left in there. This is like where my finger's pointing. That's where the plastic tube was connected to earlier. As you could see where, yeah, see where that's connected at? Yeah, you could just vacuum where that port is right there too. And then vacuum the water in here, pull it out, use a cloth, and then you can just clean up the condenser and everything while you're at it. You can just go ahead, clean up the water that's in the pool and everything. I'm planning on wiping it afterwards. And then you can also stick this hose where that plastic tube leads to. It'll pull out whatever was left in there. So make sure you do that. And you're gonna notice how the vacuum hose that you're holding feels cold as you're doing it. There could be some ice buildup where that drain laid to, which was the reason why the interior was leaking. So you can leave that for a good couple seconds. And then just continue clean the condenser, clean everything. And whoa, my hose feels very cold. That must be where the issue was to begin with. Tree setup. The easiest way I figured out is you could plug the vacuum in here, and then you hook up the hose where this plastic drain was, and it's stuck there because I just put this ridge against the edge to hold it in place. And while it does that, you could get your steam gun, and then go around to the refrigerator. And then all the steam or the suction will occur where this port is. You first remove the back panel, of course, and then you just allow the steam to flow in here. So it could melt whatever ice is in there, and then afterwards, suck in the melted ice as water through the vacuum, which should then release the clog. And be sure to only do this 20-30 seconds at a time. You don't want to melt or burn anything with the steam gun. So while it's going, I'm blowing steam directly into there while the vacuum sucks up the air from inside. And this should hopefully melt whatever ice is blocking the water from draining later on.